Fun facts and trivia. A crocodile cannot stick its tongue out. It's physically impossible for pigs to look up into the sky. Some lipsticks contain fish scales. A shark is the only known fish that can blink with both eyes. It's impossible for most people to lick their own elbow. Try it. If you sneeze too hard, you could fracture a rib. Volleyball and basketball were both invented in Massachusetts. Elephants are also the only mammals that cannot jump. Wearing headphones for just an hour could increase the bacteria in your ear by 700 times. Stewardesses is the longest word that is typed with only the left hand. Tigers have striped skin, not just striped fur. Green, yellow, and red bell peppers might look like different versions of the same vegetable, but they are not. The world's longest concert lasted 453 hours. White chocolate isn't actually chocolate at all. It's mostly cocoa butter, sugar, and lecithin. Australia is wider than the moon, 600 kilometers wider to be exact. Iceland grows 5 centimeters per year because of its moving tectonic plates. Dreamt is the only English word that ends in the letters MT. Most people fall asleep in 7 minutes. A cat has 32 muscles in each ear.